we're back with another video. My name is SnapTap. I am your best game reporter reporting live. Today I am back with another Pokemon Legend Arceus Leak. Tomorrow will be a new day. Pokemon Legend Arceus will be released. So today I will send an extra video tonight. So please stay tuned to that. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and share it to your friends. If you help me to reach 1,000 subscribers, then I will help you to get some awesome videos. I will make a proper video like with thumbnails, editing. So stay tuned for that. We are ready now. Let's see. Let's start. This is our first video. So let's start. This is a new legendary boss Pokemon, which is called the fourth. One thing I want to tell you that this is not my video. I'm just giving my reactions to this video. So please check it. Okay? I'm giving this video. I'm helping to see this video. Like, this video is not from me, it's an official video. So I'm just checking it and reviewing it and explaining it to you that what is happening. So let's get started. This is the new boss Pokemon, fourth Legend of Madness. Like Nature Force, the fourth legendary Pokemon of Nature Force. Force of Nature, I think. Yes, Force of Nature. Enrmous. I think so. Yes, Enrmous. See this. You can see this is Enrmous, the new legendary boss Pokemon. You are surprised, right? Who wouldn't be? This is, I think it's a fairy type. Okay? Can you understand? Can I explain you? She's running away. I think it's she, right? Not he. She's running away with her snake. This is Enrmous. Actually, if I spell that wrong, please don't mind. Okay. Heatran. Heatran's very common. I don't think I have made a video on Heatran. But Heatran, you can get it in as a legendary boss. So I'm not going to details with it. Okay. They're both using crunches. I think this guy is very slow of a Pokemon. Because he's just seriously so slow. Like, you can see she's just so slow. She just killed that. Okay, these are called forces of nature. This is the third one, actually, that the protagonist sends out. Okay, the protagonist is trying to take it. Okay. The protagonist took it. Okay, finally. Enrmous. Okay. It's not an official. I think that was it. Extra edition. Let's see. What? Wait a sec. These are like you use a mirror and change their forms into their secret forms. Yes, turtle form. These are all the forces of nature, and that pink one is the new one, Enrmous. It looks so cute. I don't know. My favorite is the tornadoes, like the before one, green bird. What cute! It looks cute. And one thing I want to point out that you do not have PCs here. You can put your Pokemon in the farm. Like you can see inside that farm. Those fences, you can put them inside the farm. I understood that. Okay. So that was it. Wow, they look so cute. I like it. Okay. That was it. But there is another video. So we are gonna move on to that. So did you like the new boss Pokemon in Enrmous? I liked it. It was adorable, like seriously. And a reminder, please subscribe to our channel so we can complete. Don't worry, just some cough. Don't worry. Please subscribe to our channel so we can give you some latest content. And help me to reach 1000 subscribers, please. So, that was it. I think so. Yes. Let's move on to the second video. So, don't click out of the video. Okay. This is the second video apparently. This is the new mythical Pokemon getting strategy. I have not seen this one. I just saw a little bit and then just waited for you all to see it with me. This is Shaymin actually. How to get Shaymin? I don't know. Is it that? First, let us go into the video and first see it. Okay. Okay, a flower field. Okay. Beautiful flowers. Jumping up with color. Okay. This is a Pole Clan member if you are interested. This is a Pole Clan member. Sorry. Pearl Clan. It's not Pearl Clan, it's Diamond Clan. Yes. It's Diamond Clan. Blue means diamond. Purple means pearl. Okay. 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 I think it's a male. Whoa, adorable. Cutie pie. He looks so cute. It's Shaymin. Okay. Normal game. This game will be fun. It will be released tomorrow midnight. So I will just bring out live content to you. Don't worry about that. Okay. Sorry, someone just called me. Very sorry about that. This is Shaymin. Again called me. Okay. Shh. They're fighting. Okay. Yuxi. Okay. Be caught by Alpha Pokemon. What's that move? I think it's a magical leaf, for instance. I think so. Okay. Okay, the protagonist caught it. Okay. Is that the Shaymin kimono? I think so. It's the Shaymin kimono. Don't mind, that was an ad. Very sorry about that. So let's end this video right here. Please subscribe to me that I can complete 1000 subs and bring you latest good contents that you will never get. So remember to subscribe, comment so everyone sees it, and please comment because from tomorrow the Pokemon Legend Arceus will be released. So can you please comment and tell me what should I do next? What do you want me to do next? Like I can't do Pokemon Legend Arceus Leaks because it's completed. The game's about to be released. So please comment down below. But game hasn't been released now. It will release. So still you will get a video tonight. Don't worry. Please subscribe so I can complete 1000 subs. Please like this video if you liked the video, and if you want to see more, please like the video. Comment down below and share it to your friends to share the motivational and the excitement for this new game, Pokemon Legend Arceus. See ya tonight.